Hey guys, I gotta go to work here in just a little bit. I just woke up. This is dose 14. It's day 7, and just weighed myself. Weigh 221.3 or 4 or something like that. Not real accurate because I just ate just a little while ago. But it's just the way it is. But definitely losing weight. Feel my pants getting smaller, looser. Where my pants getting staying the same, I'm getting smaller. But it's really tired. But I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna take my HCG, get ready for work, and I'll probably have to upload this in the morning. I'm uploading another video right now, so I won't be able to upload it till in the morning. But I want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. So if you don't mind, like and subscribe and share. It means a lot. It takes a lot of work to make these videos, get everything going right before work, and so I'll thank y'all for subscribing. Give me some comments. Let me know what you think about the weight loss diet. If you got any questions or whatever, I'll answer them. But anyway, I'm gonna take this and get to work. Okay, I will see you all in the morning for my next dose, and that's it. So, y'all have a good night.